There you go. Yeah. All right. No,
it would be the other way around because the camera would be on the top, right?
This is alright.
Wait, no, but the button's down there, right?
Yeah, I know, but I just want it to be like equal, like so it balances out. Do you wanna do it this way? Do you think that's gonna be better?
I don't know. I was thinking like it'd be symmetry at the top.
All right. I think that is.
Or it'd be like the proper way. Like it'd be like the proper way.
Okay, here we go. This looks a lot better than my first attempt.
Cool.
Making this. Look at that. Wow. That's just cool, right?
That's nice. Yeah.
It looks really nice, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. I actually want to take this, but you know.
You can take it. Okay.
That's fine.
You sure? That's very nice. Nice gift for like someone with Apple.
It's alright. Take it.
Really? Not bad.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take a picture of it. But disassemble the good old iPhone 5. Let's do it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so we just got a plunger. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Let's plunger the bottom. Oh yeah. Not
Working? Careful you don't break. Yeah, it's fine. It's always fine. Some old device.
Is there like another screw I'm missing?
No, that's it.
Okay.
I hurt your hands. I can bring gloves if you want. Do you need gloves?
No. There we go.
Oh shit! Holy fuck!
Look at this.
Oh wow, that's just crazy. That is wild. All right, first thing, you gotta remove the battery.
Battery?
Yeah.
I think for this step, I think it's dated wipe. I think yeah, no, this.
Do you have like the one that you can lift up the thing?
What do you mean?
Wait, where's the battery thing?
Oh yeah, I do.
Like the plastic thingy, yeah. Cause like you don't want to like short circuit.
Oh yeah.
And look at that. Just disassemble the iPhone 5. The good old iPhone 5. Here's a display ribbon cable right there. I swear to God, this is way easier back then because there's a waterproof sealing. It doesn't require any heat in order to open up. You just need 2 screws. That's it.
This is not right. What screws? Oh, this one. Wait, am I doing the wrong way?
You have to press the left. Are you pressing left?
Yeah. I always forget, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already out. Oh, it's a really tiny one, that's why.
Damn.
I didn't realize it was that tiny.
You don't have to organize screws at all. Like we're not gonna assemble it again.
Oh, why not?
Let's put it in a frame. I think I might have. Oh, I actually have. I have like a tiny like crystal box thing.
What? Uh-oh. Let screw come back.
Is it fine?
I don't know. Can this come off or no? Can't tell what I'm stuck on. There we go.
Shit.
And then come on.
Damn.
Why is it so? There we go.
Yo. Got a display cable out. Got a display. We're selling this on eBay. I'm just kidding. Nobody's gonna buy it.
I dropped a screw somewhere. I wanna. Cool. And then disconnect the battery. Should be down here.
Is the battery like inflated? Yeah, it's a little bit. Yo, make sure you don't make a hole on the battery because that shit's gonna catch fire.
What do you mean? That's like the most fun part.
Nah. If it gets on our clothes, I don't wanna. Yeah. We don't wanna, plug in. Yeah.
Dude, this is a nice screwdriver. They're all mechanical. Is that one out already, or?
It is.
No, that's a small one. It's weird.
It's a crazy piece of engineering.
Is there even a smaller one than that? That might be the smallest one. That's a bit awkward. I can't believe they're still using the same screws as these. Is it stuck? I can't tell.
Working.
Is it?
Might be a star.
No, it's definitely a cross. It might be a different size. That's weird.
Might be a different size.
Am I also pressing like whoop. Yeah, this one works. Why is this not working? Yeah, there, I just wasn't pressing hard enough.
Damn. Alright, got the little metal thing out. Ooh.
Why is this one stuck on?
Be careful you don't stab yourself or destroy the inflated battery. It's gonna.
That'll be okay. Oh, that's because the battery connector loops.
That is a battery connection. Damn.
Yeah, that's the battery connector.
Yo, don't touch the middle part.
Yeah, it won't do anything to me. It's dead, so it's okay. I don't know what this is. Probably like to the power button board.
Probably.
Yeah, why is it like glued on here?
You may use force if necessary.
No, there's like tape here. Remember, that just goes to show that tape is never not an option. Authorized provider only. I'm authorized, right?
You are an authorized provider. That's probably an A10 Bionic. Not A10. It's like A4 or A3 or something. Probably.
Yeah, let's see if we get the battery out now.
Yeah, don't get the battery out. Do not get the battery.
Don't get the battery.
Hey, be careful. Don't like stab it.
Okay.
You're gonna blow the shit out of the battery, man. You know the Galaxy Note 7.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like that.
What is these connectors? Who knows?
I ain't got no insurance for this.
Oh, that's weird.
What is that?
It's a ribbon connector.
Cool. Do not remove the battery.
Another ribbon connector. Another connector. Connector.
Our main goal is to
I don't know. Disassemble it.
yeah, obtain the chip, the CPU, the system on chip, aka SoC, without stabbing the battery. And don't stab the battery. I think the CPU might be here.
You think? How would I get that out?
Because it has like a heat sink almost.
Yeah. Ooh, we have to get this entire section out here. Come on. There we go. No, it's not magnetic. That's weird. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Okay, how do we get this out now? How do we get this one out? There we go.
Looking clean, bro.
And they're being shaky.
Damn, we got the whole fucking component out. Is that for... what is that for?
I'm not sure.
Maybe that's for the charging port.
No, this is a charging port right here. Right, this is the battery connector. Seems to be some kind of glue or something.
As long as you're not bending the battery, we're cool.
It's a connector here. I can take
Or
it.
stabbing the battery.
Oops, I removed the connector's cover.
Doesn't matter.
It's like a small cable. Okay, well that's out. That's a pain in the ass to plug back in, I'm sure. Why is it not? I think it's glued on. Oh no, it's not glued on. There's a cable that goes underneath this entire board.
Oh, okay.
What did I?
You know what? I think that's the antenna.
Yeah, so there's a cable that goes all the way up there or something like that.
Wait, so where is the A4 chip? Or A5?
Probably down here. So I did not have to screw that out. So okay, what are these? I don't know.
You know, they have an Apple logo on the system on chip, which is pretty insane.
That's cool.
They care so much about all the details.
I think they did a really good job at simplifying, like, because the iPhone 10 did not have this many screws.
No. It's called an Apple Logic board.
This is the camera right here, so we can take out the camera.
Poor little iPhone 5. It's been disassembled. The home button still works.
That's cool. Do I can take that out, do I? What is this? Okay, so if this runs underneath, I should just be able to kind of pull this whole board out, should I not? Dude, what's holding it in? What is holding it in? I'm not exactly sure. Oh, wait. It might be actually impossible to assemble. No.
The battery? Sorry, the chip?
I'm really trying to look for what I need to screw up here. Okay. Maybe I just pull it out? No? Maybe it's glued on? No.
Oh shit. Can I actually try?
You wanna try?
Sure.
Hold up, I think I got the last two screws.
Okay, he's getting the last bits and pieces out.
Alright, I think. I'm done. Okay. I'm gonna remove this ribbon cable right here. There we go. Cool, that's like the camera. Okay, I think.
It looks like you're defusing a bomb.
I should be able to lift this up now. Oh yeah, it's going.
Oh my days. What's happening?
I should be able to just lift it, but I don't know. Dude, these ribbon cables, some of them are so tiny.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to hold the camera?
Yeah. Thanks. Alright, handing off. This thing is surprisingly light, by the way.
Yeah.
That's weird. That is really wacky. You see this thing, right?
How do I zoom in?
You know what this thing is? It's a vibration motor.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
Yeah, this thing basically, it has a irregular shape, and the reason being is
It's like on the Xbox controller, though.
Yeah, 100%. I might just watch a video of them disassembling. I figured out.
What? You gotta take the battery out?
Yeah.
Or try using some levers over here?
No, with that, never.
Fine.
No, it's not. I swear to God, it's not. I actually blew it up once.
You blew it up once?
Yeah.
You did that?
No, that's a no-go. You're crazy to think that. You're absolutely crazy. I actually blew it up.
Use it as levers? Like you can use this end too.
No, that's too much.
Oh, like too much?
Do you have a plastic one?
Maybe.
You should use plastic one. Do you have a? Oh, you know what I can do?
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you should film this.
No.
All right, so we're gonna try to detach the battery completely from the thing. This is gonna be a little bit risky, but you know, if you have the balls, you gotta do it.
So is it glued on, I assume?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm gonna watch the video again.
Yeah, attention.
Yeah.
I've done it.
Don't bend it. Here's what they're doing.
Yeah.
And after, you have to remove the SIM tray. Okay, you did that, right?
Yeah.
You do it from this side.
This.
Hey, don't make a hole.
I don't want to break this.
Oh, don't worry about breaking, just don't make a hole in the battery.
I think you do it here.
Oh, don't bend it too much.
Yeah, this I don't think is flexible enough. I must have forgotten something though. No, I think you do just pop it out right there. Oh, there's this. Yeah, sticker.
There's no sticker for this. There's no glue.
Okay.
Just try out.
I don't think this is. Here, let me get mine. I think I do have one.
Yeah, just don't get anything sharp. Alright guys, we just removed the battery.
You did it?
Camera? No.
Oh, the cable? Did I not do it?
No. Yeah, no, camera.
Oh, camera. Oh, I see. What the heck? How do you...
Careful, careful.
I don't understand how that guy in the video...
Don't do it with sharp end.
This is a dull end. How did that guy do it? There's no way. You have to do it from...
Yeah, just do it from any side. Just don't bend it. Don't bend it.
There's no way.
You gotta keep trying, not from one side, do it from all sides, evenly.
Yeah. Oh, break the camera.
You can't break the camera. You just don't break the battery. The battery's top priority. You can break the cable, you can break anything, not the battery.
Alright. God damn, I don't...
Shit's old. Full of gas inside. No joke. Very flammable gas. Made with oxygen, gonna blow up.
That's not scary at all.
God, dude.
But I think I've blown a battery before.
I definitely blew one of my batteries. That was an Galaxy A7.
Okay, well that's starting to come off.
Maybe there's another screw.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Is there a SIM tray on battery side? No. Where's the SIM tray?
On the other side. I think it's just glued down pretty well.
Yeah, and it's pretty old. Also.
Oh, you know what? There's stickers underneath the battery.
Oh, is that it?
Wait, you think I just pulled the sticker hard enough? Now my hands are too sweaty. How the heck did he get the battery out so easy?
Okay.
Yeah, here you go. Oh, you know what? I think I do know where.
Yeah.
No, I think he inserted between this metal thing and the battery, right? No, I'm just bending the battery right there.
Oh, actually? Are you bending the... Did you bend the battery? Oh,
No,
shit,
that's
not
the
good.
surface.
Here.
Yeah, it's okay.
Here's what I'm gonna do. Okay? I'm gonna pull this,
Yeah?
insert it between.
Oh, there we go.
See? Smart. Don't do it hard. Do it evenly, okay? Little, don't do it too hard. A little bit. Up, here, this side.
Oh, yeah, I do this side.
Yeah.
Finger.
Okay, stop. Middle. Okay, good.
Should be able to just... There we
good.
go. Oh, yeah.
The battery out. Throw that shit away. Yeah, the battery. We just removed the battery, boys. It's crazy.
Okay, here, I'll leave right there. Okay, now...
It's just flammable. Are you crazy? Don't put it on a wooden table. Put it like there.
I'm gonna throw it, that's for sure. And then now... You get this cable out of the way. And
Gotta get the seam tray out as well.
Oh shit, yeah. Hopefully it's 10. This might be better. Maybe. Right? This is not tiny enough. That's so small. I don't want to push it too hard. Yeah, no, here, I got a clip.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
No.
Alright.
Just get a clip. It's an iPhone 5 without the battery. Okay, I'm gonna remove the screws on the sides, like here.
Pencil. Should work, right?
Don't have a clip?
No, but I got pencil. Should work.
To break?
I mean, the lead broke, but that's okay.
Okay, great.
Oops. And now we should be able to just... Oh, there's a screw right here. Yeah,
Oh,
hidden
right.
screw.
Where?
You're gonna put this in like a little frame?
Yeah.
That's cool.
You should keep it, man. Have your little own collection.
Maybe. If you put it in a frame. I'm not gonna keep it in pieces, of course. I already have too many things
No.
in pieces.
I mean, I have a frame, so I can give it to you.
Really? That'd be cool. Do we have to do those?
I'm just doing it. It's probably antenna line. It is antenna line. I'm just making sure everything's gone before we actually pull this thing out. This is the antenna line thing. Wait, did we actually disassemble everything?
I think so. I think it is.
Alright, cool. Keep the battery somewhere safe. It's an old ass battery. Someone thinks it's a biscuit, breaks it, steps on it, like, that's gonna be crazy.
Wait, what the heck do we do now?
Camera switch again.
Oh, is this glued? Because it is glued. That's gonna suck.
It is not glued.
You just pop it out?
Yeah,
From where?
from the battery side.
The battery side. I'm lifting it.
Working? Don't break it.
Yeah, I don't want to break it. That's the thing. Definitely lifting. Oh, but it's bending, so it must be something I forgot.
Did you remove the camera?
The camera can be removed.
On the bottom and the top, there's those screws on the sides. You gotta remove those.
The screws on the sides?
On the near the vibration motor, on the sides, yeah, there's screws on the sides.
Oh,
You have to detach everything. You have to remove the camera module first. Camera module is completely connected to the thing.
Okay. Is that it?
There's a lot more
There's a lot more.
on the top, this side,
Oh.
vertically.
Oh man, that sucks.
Those are all connected to the main board. The logic board.
What? I can't get this. Hey, am I dumb?
Look at all these little pieces of screws and stuff just came out.
That's hard. on it. Okay.
The ribbon cables. And then meanwhile, I'll bring a little the frame that we're gonna put the thing inside.
Okay. Totally need
Get the little volume rockers out, guys. Pretty cool stuff, right there. Piece of history. The volume rocker of an iPhone 5.
I'm wondering if you have to like break this metal bracket. No, because the guy in the video didn't do that. I think it might be glued on. Sucks.
Did you check the vibration motor side? You have to get every screw.
Yeah, I did. I took it out.
On the sides too.
No, shoot. There's one more here. I don't think that's relevant. There's no way. This is for like the volume. This is for like the power button.
Power button. Jeez.
Oh wait, hold on. It's all one solid piece.
I'll go ahead and bring the glue. Yeah, so we're basically.
Oh, you know what? I think I see it now.
What was it?
Or I'm gonna be just making shit up.
Just another screw. This is so. Can't be it. Where's the screw? Sorry.
I don't think it's a screw. I think it's like some kind of. Like I think.
Oh, yeah, right. You're right. That's it. Oh, yeah, right. I forgot. Completely forgot. You need a regular.
What the heck am I using this? Flathead. These are the little flatheads.
These are flathead. Is that a flathead?
Yeah, this is flathead.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I think it should. I think that might come out, right? Surely, right? Okay, maybe not. I'm out loud.
Just do it manually by hand.
Yeah, so I gotta do it like that.
Probably need a bigger one. Is there a bigger?
Oh yeah, there we go.
Okay, good. And here comes the motherboard, the logic board.
I was like looking at it, and there's like a couple. I was looking at it like that looks so weird. What is that?
I know. All right, here comes the motherboard.
There's one over here too.
I hope it all goes well, man. Is it working?
It is. It's kind of hard. I was like wondering, like.
What fuck? Is it bent? No? Looks good enough?
Good enough, yeah.
Alright.
Cool.
Can I see it? There. Ooh. Beefy. Alright, so let's get the CPU out. Let us figure out.
I don't think we can get a CBI. I think it's integrated. There's no way.
Holy shit, so we just managed to disassemble the cover, the metal cover that surrounds the chip part. So we got the A4 chip right there.
Well, this is the SanDisk chip. One of these are the A4 chip, or it's on the back here.
It's on the back.
It's on the back?
Yeah.
Okay, let me break the metal tabs for this.
It's crazy though. SanDisk is probably a memory or a flash drive.
I assume so.
Alright, bro. Yo, we just got the
Oh, that
home
one's
button.
bad.
So that's the home button of an iPhone 5. I just obtained from this device. Touched it?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Alright,
Alright, bro. We just extracted the A6 chip from this iPhone 5. Look at that little bad boy. It's an A6. It's really fucking cool. Wow. It's an A6. Hooray. We just got it open. Alright, so we got the A6 chip as well as a volume rocker and a home button. Alright, so I just attached using super glue all the parts just like that. We're gonna use this as the top to basically enclose this.